Have you ever wondered how a simple mixture of flour and water becomes the instant noodles we can prepare in just a few minutes? Behind every packet of instant noodles is a fascinating industrial process involving massive machines, precise ingredients, steam, heat, and automated packaging systems. Today, we're going inside a modern instant noodle factory to discover exactly how these noodles are made, from raw flour to the finished packet ready for consumers. Let's begin. The process starts with the arrival of the raw ingredients. Large quantities of wheat flour are delivered to the factory in specially prepared containers. Before production begins, the ingredients are carefully inspected. Workers and quality control systems check the condition and quality of the flour and other ingredients. Once everything is approved, the flour enters the production line. The first major step is sieving. The flour passes through an industrial screening system that removes unwanted particles and ensures a consistent texture. Next, the flour moves into a huge industrial mixer. Water, salt, and other ingredients are carefully added according to the recipe. Powerful mixing blades combine everything together, gradually turning the dry ingredients into a smooth and workable dough. But the dough is still far from becoming noodles. It now enters a series of powerful rollers. The thick dough is repeatedly pressed and stretched until it becomes a long, thin sheet. The thickness is carefully controlled to ensure that every batch produces noodles with a consistent texture. Now comes one of the most recognizable stages. The smooth dough sheet enters a precision cutting machine. Hundreds of thin noodle strands are created as the sheet passes through the cutters. The long strands move continuously along the production line. Next, the fresh noodles enter a steaming system. Inside the machine, controlled steam cooks the noodles while they move through the production line. Temperature and processing time are carefully monitored. After steaming, the long noodle strands are divided into individual portions. Each portion is cut to the required size and prepared for shaping. The noodle portions are then folded into their familiar compact shape. Automated machines carefully arrange each portion on the conveyor belt. Now the noodles need to be prepared for long-term storage. Depending on the manufacturing process, the noodle blocks pass through a controlled cooking and drying system. Heat removes moisture from the noodles and gives them their familiar texture. After drying, the noodle blocks are cooled. Sensors continuously monitor the temperature as the products move through the production line. While the noodles are being prepared, another part of the factory is producing the seasoning. Spices, salt, dried vegetables, and other flavor ingredients are carefully measured according to the recipe. These ingredients are combined to create the seasoning that gives instant noodles their